What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be looking at what you need to do as a homeowner for your solar system to last longer and also work efficiently. There are several things you need to do for your solar system to last longer to avoid your system to break down prematurely. Number one is checking your manuals. Just like other electronic appliances in your house like your TV, your fan, your decoder, your fridge and so on. All these appliances has its own manual. The manual acts as a guide on how to use the system better. It contains information about the appliance, the power rating, the features and everything, and also contains the instruction, the precaution and the caution on how to use the appliances better. The same with solar components like inverter, charge controller, batteries and so on. It has manual which acts as a guide on how to use the system and to how to make the system work perfectly and efficiently. Therefore, homeowners should go through the manual to see the laid down instruction on how to manage and to use the system better. The manual is not just for the installer to install the system. The homeowner should also go through the manual. It will help you to know how the system works and also help you to discover extra features. Number two is regular maintenance. Homeowners should carry out maintenance on their solar system setup. Number one, the regular maintenance they need to carry out in their solar system setup is cleaning the panels. Most especially when you are living in dusty areas, those dust settles on the surface of the solar panels, which block the amount of light that is captured by the solar panels. So if you are living in dusty area or at an interval, you need to clean your panels within 3 months to 6 months interval for your solar panels to be able to generate its maximum output. And also you need to remove bed droppings, dirt and leaves that settles on the surface of the solar panels. It shades the panel and avoid sunlight from reaching the panels. And also you need to check out for the coloration in the panels, micro cracks, and checking out the cables to make sure that the cables are in good condition. Number three is battery care. Under battery care, avoid over discharging of your batteries. Your battery should not be discharged below 20% of its capacity. And also your battery need to be kept in a cool, dry, ventilated place. If you are using flooded lead acid battery, you need to carry out maintenance on the flooded lead acid battery, like topping up with distilled water when the liquid level in the battery goes down. And also cleaning up the terminals of the batteries when acid settles on it due to sulfation, and use petroleum jelly to grease the terminals for more conductivity. You also need to do equalization on your flooded lead acid battery at an interval. It can be 3 months interval or 6 months interval depending on your usage. Number four is smart energy use. Under smart energy use, most especially if you are living off grid, you need to run your heavy load appliances during daytime when the sun is strong to avoid draining your batteries very quickly at night. Another one is that you need to switch to energy efficient appliances. If you are still using incandescent light bulb, it's time to switch to LED bulbs. If you are using traditional kind of ACs, it's time to switch to inverter ACs to minimize the power consumption, because inverter ACs consume lesser power and are more efficient than traditional kind of ACs. You also need to install timers and smart controllers to manage your loads better. Just like I mentioned earlier, that you should run your heavy load appliances daytime when the sun is strong, most especially if you are living off grid. These timers and smart controllers help you to automate that process, so it can be able to off the appliance and on it automatically. Number five is monitoring. Under monitoring, you need to install monitoring system to track system performance and also dictate issues earlier. Tracking system performance will help you to know your energy production and consumption. And also the monitoring system will be able to dictate issues earlier before it gets worse. Number six is avoid overloading your system. Overloading your system will shorten the lifespan of your solar system. Therefore, your load should not be more than 70% of your system capacity for your solar system to last longer. If you find this video useful, do well to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification button so you'll be notified when I release new videos. See you in the next video.